Rainey and Stuart here, and we want to show you how to spend a day in Falmouth, England.
Falmouth is the third largest natural harbor in the entire world that at one time was the major communications hub of the entire British Empire.
So let's get started.
We are Rainey and Stuart of the GloveTrotters, happily retired and traveling one adventure at a time.
We're anchored in the Carrick Roads, waiting for our tender into Falmouth. Our 91-year-old great-grandmother always makes boarding the tender look so easy. On the way, we see a bunch of sunlit hillsides, some with bright yellow rapeseed, soon to be converted into canola oil. Once we stepped off the tender, we had a bit of an uphill climb from the docks to get up to the main shoreline. It's a bit of a challenge in spots for Mom, but as always, she conquered it no problem. And it led us right to the seafront along Cliff Road. The path is a bit under a mile, mostly downhill with a real unique coastline. The beach is littered with Cornish rocks that are aged well over 1 million years. There are kids enjoying the rocks, springtime flowers, and even a few rest stops along the way. The main attraction in this area is really Gyllyngvase Beach, especially among the locals. There's a sit-down restaurant. There's nice, wide open beaches with plenty of room to run around. There's even a snack shop, and pets are always welcome. Right behind the beach is the Queen Mary Gardens. It's a simple loop that's got a wide variety of plants not found anywhere else in the UK. Honestly, it feels more like a serene county park than a garden, but it's very relaxing. Like we do in almost every port, we made a stop at a local grocer. This time it was the Co-op Food, which is right across the street from the beach and the gardens. It's always fun to compare these to our shops back in the States. It's also perfect for picking up a few snacks along the way. We're off again on some of Falmouth's hillier areas with some really cool thatched roofs and somewhat treacherous road crossing on our way to the Rosehill Gardens. These gardens are really more like an old Victorian ornamental garden. It's real lush in areas with unique trees, hidden stone tablet paths, and wide open spaces favored by some of the local students. It's also flat with concrete paths, so tailor-made for seniors. All right, back on the road, we're heading downhill. Well, it's mostly downhill to Falmouth Town Center, passing some beautiful homes with really colorful gardens and some old train bridges. There's this interesting 44-foot granite Killigew Monument, but no one seems to really know exactly why it was built. The Killigew family helped to build Falmouth, so it's likely just a tribute to their own impact on the town. Behind the monument is the event square. There's a great view of the harbor, and it's also home to the National Maritime Museum. After about 3.5 hours on our feet, we decided to take a break at the coffee cafe bar and have a nice hot cup of mocha. The square is home to events like town festivals, and it's often filled with local street vendors that are showing their wares. At this point, great-grandma was pretty exhausted, so we took the shuttle from the town center back to the docks where a little bit of a line was waiting for us. Our return tender was actually pretty cool. We got a great view of the Falmouth Harbour and a whole bunch of local sailors, as well as local historical sites like Henry VIII's military fortress, St. Mawes Castle, and the equally formidable 16th century Pendennis Castle, guarding the harbor from foreign invaders. St. Anthony's Head lighthouse was built 300 years later to deal with the unpredictable Atlantic swells, constant dense fog, and again, as a warning for any possible threats. In all, we've walked the entire 2.2 mile loop today in a little over 3.5 hours. Falmouth is beautiful in a way that's not usually associated with the UK. Our 91-year-old great-grandmother was her usual amazing self, and we got to experience yet another amazing port town, Falmouth, England.
We're the GloveTrotters, and we hope you enjoyed exploring Falmouth, England with us. For more travel guides and inspiration, visit us at theglovetrotters.com. And if you love this video, please make sure to subscribe and explore with us. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure.